This is where the magic happens.
What's happening? We back with another video, and I'm gonna show y'all how to make a cow hood out of another Chevrolet hood and mold it onto the OBS hood. So let me get this out of here, and then we'll go from there. But I need to get this part out and get it to the next section of the hood, and then you guys will see what I'm talking about. All right. So here's what I've done to the back siding of the frame. You see how I still have the middle there, is what you want, and then on the sides I've removed the frame, removed it from the edge, and the same like over here, just removed it and then removed some of this adhesive along this edge. So I'm just peeling this off. As you see here, it's peeling off. So yeah, and then I just I had that cat eye in the corners, so I just trimmed that off so I can be able to fiberglass that in, or however I want to do it. But I'm debating on if I should remove this. I think I am gonna remove this, so I ain't dealing with this so much so it ain't heavy. I think I'm gonna just take this out though. But alright, y'all, let me get this over to the truck and we'll see how it looks. Alright, so back to the drawing board. I removed what I said I was gonna remove that hood latch for the hood, and then I removed this that piece in the rear, and still kept some of the framing there. Not sure if I should have kept something structural back here, but I'm pretty sure it's still structurally stable and sturdy. It's a lighter though. So, all right, let me get this over to the truck and see how it looks now, and see how flush it sits. All right, so I'm just locking this in. We got the skin all removed and it's on there. So now what I'm gonna have to do is come back in here and in this corner I'm gonna have to do some cut work right here to have this lay down, and then I'm gonna have to do some cut work on the back side of here to have this corner lay down, like sort of similar to how this is laying down, but to get it more flat, so you just look down there and see. You won't be able to see because my flash not on, but basically looking down there, seeing where you're having your contact and where it needs to be taken care of. So I still have my framing brace for the middle, and you can hear that's solid, but it's so light it won't even. The hood's a heavier though, I can tell you that, but it's solid. It's lighter than what it once was. So of course this is gonna get pushed back a little more, but you see that cat eye is no longer there and it's squared off, so it's gonna all flow good and well once I get the skin to hug more onto the hood. So that's the little issue that it's having, is it's not hugging. But I just got little things to cut out its way, and then it'll be fully seated onto the hood. But alright, you guys, I'm gonna cut this video short, and stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so this part 2 of the HD hood conversion, and so what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and, you guys seen the first stage, so the blue hood getting cut, the SS Trailblazer. This is an Avalanche hood, so let's go ahead and cut this hood and get it onto the other skin. It's not even ready yet, but I just want to just make sure that, in my mind, what I see can work. All right, so all right, y'all, so I'm gonna have to make a new video on how I did this HD hood conversion for the OBS. But all right, y'all, so basically this is the framing for a round the hood latch on the new body style hood. So for the that's the framing for around the avalanche hood. So now what I did, because you don't want so much of the frame because of the weight, so what I did was I cut the frame out. All right, so along here is what you're going to be cutting. You're going to leave this. All right, so that's going to add strength to the hood, so you know when you're hitting bumps or anything like that, it's not buckling or just flexing. All right, so on the skin that you're using for the hood conversion, you're gonna just cut out this, and so that way you don't have so much of this frame on there, and then everything will mold together. All right, so everything will mold how it should, and let's get this off of here, but everything will mold how it should, and yeah, you'll be happy. All right, so again, basically back to here is what you're going to be. Now say this is the hood that you're going to be using. Say you use a Trailblazer SS hood or a Silverado hood. It doesn't make any difference what hood you want to go with or build or make. Just know that this adds weight to the hood, so get as much of that out of there. If you're going to be using 2 or 1, if you're going to be using 1, just cut as don't have the frame close to the edge, so you want it in the middle somewhere about here, and then start cutting out, but leaving this. So just start cutting out. Other than that, even like on the lip part of the hood, this is an OBS hood, so it's different, but you're gonna cut that out too as well. So you're gonna cut that out. You're gonna cut all along there so it can be able to hug against the OBS hood. So you want it to hug. So all this got to go if you was to do it. So, and then at the back, I did some work at the back for the hood, cutting out, measuring and cutting, so it can be able to slide and mold under the Trailblazer SS hood. So that's how I got it to be able to tuck under, and it looks neat. So yeah, back here, like I was saying, it's all tucked under, and then this would be the OBS hood. So still looks clean. It's not bad, but it's a lot better than a lot that I've seen. So once you cut out the middle part, you're going to be left with these little outer edge pieces. But like I was saying, on the hood, this part is what you're going to be cutting out for the middle. You're going to be cutting out this part, or you can cut along the seam, but you're gonna need to get this out for the middle. You're gonna need to be able to get this out. So because on the hood, let me show you guys, you're gonna need it to come down, so just be mindful of that. So guys, I'm gonna cut this video short. I got to get on this red truck here, and I just broke my rake, so I need to grab another one of those. But I need to get on this red truck and start sanding on this filler, and yeah, and I want to start doing something on this hood. So alright y'all, I'm sorry about that. I lost some footage and stuff like that, man. So next time I'll just try to, make sure stuff is saved as I go along, and I won't have this issue again. So hopefully, if I can look through my Google stuff, I can be able to recover. I'm not sure, so I have to look into that. But alright y'all, see y'all in a minute. I have some more videos of that hood conversion, and I might throw this truck on the channel. I'm not sure, so we'll see about that. But yeah, I need to get back to cleaning, and it's maybe go in the house, step in the house for a minute, because it's getting a little cold. So alright y'all, I'll see y'all in a minute.